What if you want your dashcam to record 24 hours or more? Yes, we can do it. See, this is Garmin, and you have a setting for 10 minutes recording after the engine of your car shuts off. You have 24 hours and infinite. You could use 2 USB cables, and I tried to see it here. It says always on power for dashcams, constant power cable. Ta-da! The power of Garmin. Let's go ahead and open this one. Inside the box is the manual, and ta-da! Here comes the cable. There it goes. Same on the box. We have 10 minutes, 24 hours, and infinite. So you switch that one if you want, like that. Okay, and you see this one is the port that goes to the OBD port of your car, and that's the USB. That's how simple it is. Let's go ahead and do this one. There you go. This is the car that we have. It's a Nissan. Now the thing here, guys, is I don't know where the OBD port is located, but I did a quick search on the internet. So you yourself, guys, if you don't know where it is, try to search it in Google and you'll find that one. For me, I found it here at the bottom. Ta-da! Oh yeah, baby. This is the OBD port. So what I gotta do, guys, is just go ahead and plug this one. See? Plug. And you can see right away that there is power. This is the plug of the dash cam. So I'll just go ahead and remove that. You see, plug this one. So if you can see that green light, see, it's recording without powering the car, turning the accessories, it's off, and you can see it's recording. So basically that's the use of this OBD Garmin power cable that we have here. All right, if we go down here, you can see that there is a red light. It's working, it's recording. Here's my advice to you guys. When you're parking at home like mine, you don't need to turn on the camera for 24 hours or infinite. So there are only instances that if you park outside something you're not sure of, you can turn it to 24 hours. So for me, I'll set it for 10 minutes, and if I'm going to park somewhere else that I'm not sure with, switch it on to the 24-hour setting or infinite. But basically, I don't advise infinite. So that's it, guys. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.